So yes, my epic viewers, welcome back to the channel again, man. Welcome back to Mannix Robinson TV. So right now I'm heading off the hills. General, morning, my respect, sir. I didn't see you. So you see it? Out of respect, sir. All right? Yeah, man. Yeah. Take it easy, all right? Seeing. For real, man. For real. I already went through a ton and a half of steel. We had purchased 50 bags of cement. We use up some of it. We're gonna have to get, I think, 10 more to bring it up back to the numbers that you need to cast the decking. So right now, walking down on the street, see if I can get a taxi to go into the city to see if I can get the stuff that he needs and come back in the hill. Morning, and come back in the hills. I think they say that the taxi situation is a little bit epic right now, so they have to go all the way down to get a taxi. Well, Mr. Lindell, respect every time, man. Yeah. Let's try to go down on the road, go pick up something and come back. Respect every time, thugs. All right. Yeah, so. All right. Well, sis. So hopefully we can get a taxi, head in the town and get back out. It's a little bit hot already. It's like after 10 and the sun is pelting hot. Yep. So the president is going down the hills. Yeah, way up on the top. I don't know. You can see the house through the breadfruit tree up there. Yeah. So now, see if we can get a taxi, guys, and head into the town. We're still gonna get it done. Yep. Good morning, sis. How are you doing?
Good, and you?
Respect every time,
Yeah,
man.
man.
All right. Morning, sis. Morning, my dear. Blessings. So we're gonna try and see if we get a taxi and get into the city and come back home before it's like too late. No, it's not picture, I'm doing a video. Yeah, video. Tupac Robinson.
My name is Jaim. I don't want to come.
I don't bling in here. You know, name Gucci. I know your name Gucci. I'm Gucci in here, you sure? A rich kid. So, this is the little entourage right here. So,
And cockroach.
Cockroach? I did it, my dad.
No, you must.
So guys, we're just presently waiting to see if we can get a taxi and see if we can get in the city and come back out. Fisher can check in on the white. Yeah. Just stop at this one of my cousin's stall. See if we're gonna grab some bag juice in the journey. Cause guys, look, you see how me sweat? Hot. It is hot already and it's not even 10 o'clock yet. So we're just gonna grab some bag juice. Stop at one of our cousin, one of our young general. See if we go grab some bag juice and look at business right here and continue the journey because
Even into one continue the journey.
you want to continue the journey too?
Yes, see me?
Yeah. And you say you know name Gucci.
I tough name
So your real
Gucci. His
name
name
again?
is Gucci and
No,
Jai.
You say me not to call him Gucci, you say your name Jai.
Me say don't call me Gucci when me there. I name is Tupac. Or him say don't call him Gucci when him there in the
Nice.
video.
When him there in the video. Alright.
My name is God.
Alright. So, as I say, we grab some bag juice because right now we don't see like so we're getting on taxi right here where we are. So, we're gonna have to continue upon the journey.
God.
And we need something to cool we down under the sun. You see it, so support the local general right here, so and continue upon the street. You see it, that's how we do it. See that those of you don't know bag juice, people call it different names. Some people call it suck, some people call it last long, last however, but growing up, you know, we call it bag juice. So that's the name them you stick to. Bag juice. Yep. And see the young general them are the program. The young general them are program for them same way. As I will say, you can't get no taxi also. So we don't max out them here while we are hit the journey. Run and come up on the road to see if we can get a taxi. Alright? Yeah. Yo, my brother, thanks. Here, sir. Respect every time, man. For those of you ever try the bag juice, leave a comment. Lord, this is a BULLA big so fast. Okay.
The bully man.
You see the BULLA big? Yeah.
The bully man.
They just call me brother name.
BULLA, what's your name?
No, him name Jaja.
Jaja? Yeah, man. How much your BULLA right after? You want something there? Come.
And the juice, man. Man.
You see, one BULLA they share, oh the BULLA big. So, bag juice and BULLA.
Yo, if I did two, man, Jesus, the man to the left. And a two, man, after you go cook one corner chicken, man. I want for chicken, you go cook.
So those of you that ever have a bag juice, try the bag juice, leave a comment.
Wait, I know what I say. The food you cook yesterday is nice. Nice.
We don't do the same today, we don't do some curry chicken and
yeah, kind
cornmeal
nice.
dumpling and breadfruit and maybe piece of yam.
Yeah.
What? Why you saying nice?
Uncle, you get a letter from my brother.
How you doing, man? Bag juice. If you ever try the bag juice, leave a comment. Some people call it different name. Last long suck. A bag juice is what I know it as. Alright? A suck you don't call it?
No.
What you don't call it?
You have different kind of bags.
Yeah.
Them we put in a little bag. They
Yeah.
call that success.
I have big
Yeah.
them is long one.
Manix Robinson TV.
Alright,
Alright, sis, respect, alright? Yeah. We say them have different name for it?
yes,
They have calls. Yeah, and they have big one.
Yeah.
The sharp big one then.
They have the big long one like this.
So what they call them here one we are eat right now?
Bag.
Bag juice and call that one here.
And call the long one
They
there.
have different one, but they call cows. Cows is really
Calzils?
cows.
Your money drop out your pocket, yo.
Cows is sweeter than bag.
Okay.
Especially the red one.
The red one. Okay. I never know that.
Yeah, me know in belly. Just so them belly.
Guys,
My baby.
BULLA sweet. Bag juice?
Uncle, should I do the video with the like them goat?
Oh, man. So right now, we are BULLA sweet but it's dry. So I'm saying, we are going around the community to see if we can get a taxi. I'm a transportation authority out, I'm in them out. I'm going to get a taxi man, they call him straight and kind of lay low, you see it. So I think so.
Stony and they can take
Yeah.
you should have check Stony and I can go.
So
Stony and gone then.
back juice for the journey. How fast? So I said, so I saw it set when the authority out, it kind of slow along.
Who not got good? Who not have good?
What that? What that? What who that?
Manix!
Yo, what go on, General? Respect, sir, respect. How the family, man?
Huh?
The family good?
Yes, man, everybody good.
Respect, sir, respect.
Manners,
Every
what's
time, every time, every time. What you want?
You want to?
Sister Julian's. Sister Sharon. Oh Jesus, what happened? Well, I will pause the video. Where you going with? Where you going with? My sister. Oh, respect.
Good to see you.
Good.
Hello, no, I'm on Ashwana, don't know, I'll win stick again. See your money, you go drop on. After you,
See me want them up in the hills with the mother, man.
oh, they
Yeah.
have to go and
Up
take
in
on
the
the land
hills.
no. You get baby do.
So, yeah, run say what you're running at the town, go pick up some stuff and come back.
And come back. Yeah, man, you look so nice.
Thank you.
No plate.
I will.
Yeah, there.
And Sister Sharon, me call you and tell you.